This phone gives you a screwdriver, because one day you might want it blue, maybe black, how about mint green? Or my personal favourite, nice and red. I'm not going to lie, I was going to do a whole unboxing thing, but I got too excited. So this here is the Phone 1 by CMF by nothing, and let me tell you now, prediction, they are here to stay. It's a phone that just says, hey, we're here to have fun. I mean, this phone's got many qualities, but how many phones do you know these days that come with interchangeable skins that you can dismantle the phone and fully customise it? Because you can with this. And each of those cases come with this little screwdriver, and you've got the replacement colours, like your little twisty knobby thing and your SIM tray. All you need to do is take this little screwdriver, and it's got these little screws that you just undo, just like this. Even this little thing here, you might think is there to look cool. No, that unscrews as well. And then we just rip the back off, which feels totally wrong, to expose the innards. And then we can just put a new skin on and just clip it in. You can even change the colour of the screws. Silver. I could take the red SIM card tray, I can mix and match with that. Maybe even use the little blue knobby thing this time. And there we go, I've got a completely unique phone case. I mean, at this point, the specs on this phone are totally irrelevant. This is the most fun I've had with a phone for as long as I can remember. So this phone starts at £209, goes up to £240. Has this got to be the best budget phone ever? That's a bold claim. But I think I'm right. Do you know what? I'm going the whole hog. I'm even going to put on the lanyard. So we just replace that little bit at the bottom, and we screw the little lanyard accessory on. Then we just take a little rope, clip it on, and there we go. You've got this, tighten this up, and there we go. Look at me. If this is CMF's first attempt at a mobile phone, honestly, I fear for the Android market, because they are in for a big shock. So thank you, Nothing, for this absolute worldy game-changing phone.